Hola! Today we're going to talk about the different colors. First, we're going to talk about how you say color in Spanish. It's really simple, it's just el color, and it's spelled the exact same as color. Now, let's talk about red. So, red is rojo, and sometimes in Spanish we roll the R's, so it's like rojo, and then our J's are always an H sound, rojo. Now, if we want to talk about something being a color, using it as an adjective, this is what we would do. So if we want to say the apple is red, we would say la manzana es roja. Now, the reason we say roja instead of rojo is because la manzana is a feminine verb, or a feminine noun, excuse me. Okay, now we have the color orange. The color orange is a little bit more complicated to say. It's pronounced naranja, naranja. A little fun fact is actually that if you're talking about the noun, so the fruit orange, it's the same thing. It's el naranja. So if we wanted to say el naranja, or the orange is orange, we would say el naranja es naranja. So that's pretty fun. Also, before I move on, one thing to know about naranja is it doesn't change depending on masculine or feminine nouns. It's always just naranja. Okay, next we have yellow. So yellow is a really fun one to say. It's amarillo. So the two L's next to each other actually make a Y sound. Amarillo, amarillo. Okay, so let's put it in a sentence. So if we want to say the banana is yellow, it's kind of cool. In Spanish, banana is banana. You just say it a little funkier. All right, so el banana es amarillo. You can't really see it because it's yellow, but we know that because it is a masculine noun, banana, el, because we could tell by the L. If it was feminine, it would have la, which is here. El banana es amarillo, so amarillo stays the same. Okay, and then green is verde, verde. We kind of have a theme of a bunch of R's, so remember to roll your R's as best as you can when you say it, verde. Okay, so this sentence says the lettuce is green. La lechuga es verde. Again, like orange, like naranja, verde does not change depending on gender nouns and stuff. So verde is the same if it's la lechuga or something that is a masculine noun. Blue is azul, azul. We know that the U sound makes more of an U sound in Spanish. So instead of an like it makes in English, it'd be U, azul. So if we want to say the water is blue, it'd be el agua es azul. El agua es azul. Again, this one does not change. It stays azul no matter what. Purple is morado, morado. Okay, and then if we say the grape is purple, it'd be la uva es morada. La uva es morada. And again, we see because it has an O at the end, it's going to change depending on what the noun is. So since we have a feminine noun here, la uva, it's going to have an A at the end. So to see the pattern, it's morado, amarillo, and rojo. And they all have an O at the end. So we know that that's why they change. It might be confusing because you see naranja has an A, but it's going to stay naranja. Okay? Pink is rosa. We can also say rosado. And in that case, if we have rosado, that's when it's going to change. But rosa just stays the same. The flower is pink. It's going to be la flor es rosa. La flor es rosa. And there's a little flower there because I messed it up. Don't worry about it. White is blanco. Blanco. The paper is white. Paper is white. That would be el papel es blanco. El papel es blanco. And you see the O at the end right there. So that means it would change if it was feminine to an A. So feminine is always A, masculine is always O at the end. In this case. Black is negro, negro. the sky is black would be el cielo es negro. El cielo es negro. And again, we have an O, which is subject to change. And lastly, we have brown is marron. Marron. I didn't have brown, so this is orange and green mixed together. The coffee is brown is el café es marron. You could also use café to mean brown. So we're just gonna go over all the colors one more time. Red is rojo, naranja is orange, amarillo, yellow, verde, green, azul, blue, morado, purple, rosa, pink, blanco, white, negro, black, marron, brown. Remember that rojo, amarillo, morado, and blanco are the only ones. And don't forget negro, depending on the noun. Thanks so much for watching. Adios.